world of charities. It's about understanding that our obligations to each other don't end with paying our taxes and obeying the law. We have obligations, and our communities work together. We have a big, strong society. When people do more, not just for themselves, that's important, self-reliance, but they do more for each other, more for their communities, and that's what binds us together.
Point made. What volunteering do you do?
I do, golly, what do? I do a whole load of things. I'm involved in my local church. That's a really unfair question, Cold. But actually, the point is...
Well, I think given that we're talking about volunteering and how important it is, that you might have been able to tell me, and not least because in your manifesto it says, quote, "Our ambition is for every adult in the country to be a member of an active neighbourhood group."
I'm involved in things in my local community. MPs spend their time involved with voluntary groups.
Well, that's part of your job, isn't it? You get paid for that. What else do you do?
Well, we do it 7 days a week, kind of thing. So, I do various things. It's a great question to drop on me, and if I had time to think about it. My point actually is that most people in their lives are doing things that you could define as volunteering with a capital V, but which are actually just doing things that support their neighbourhood, support their neighbours, and a bit part of being an active citizen in an active community.
Understood. Thank you very much for joining us, the Cabinet Office Minister Francis Maude.